Okay, so in this problem, we're solving an exponential equation. We have 2e to the 3x minus 1 plus 7 is equal to 13. So when we go through this problem, it's very similar to solving something like 2x plus 1 equals 5. Your first step is to add and subtract, then the second step is to multiply or divide. In essence, you're just trying to get the x alone. Well, in these types of problems, remember that we want to get the exponential expression alone. You want to get this e to the 3x minus 1 by itself to start off. So we're going to start this by subtracting this 7 from each side. And when we do that, we get 2e to the 3x minus 1 is equal to 6. And now again, the next thing that we'd want to take care of is multiplying or dividing by the opposite of whatever is in front of our exponential expression. So just like if you had 2x equals 6, you'd divide each side by 2. The same thing is true in this scenario. We're going to divide each side of the equation by 2 to get rid of this 2 in front of our exponential expression, which leaves us with e to the 3x minus 1 is equal to 3. And now we need to get rid of our exponential expression. We want to just get this x, so we have to take the inverse of each side. Remember that in order to cancel e out, we have to take the natural log of each side of the equation. And remember, we're not multiplying by natural log. This is just like if we took x squared equals 4 and we wanted to solve, we would take the square root of each side. Notice we're not multiplying by the square root. The same thing's true here. We're not multiplying by natural log. We're plugging each side into the natural log function. And when we do this, the natural log and the e are inverses. They're going to cancel out, leaving us with just this exponent. So we have 3x minus 1 is equal to the natural log of 3. And now we can solve for x as if this were just a normal equation. We're going to add 1 to each side to start getting x by itself, which gives us 3x equals the natural log of 3 plus 1. That plus 1 is not inside of the natural log. You could technically write it like this if you preferred, to show that just the 3 is in the natural log. And now finally, we're going to divide each side by the number that's in front of our x, which is our 3, leaving us with x equals the natural log of 3 plus 1, all divided by 3. And this is the exact answer. Notice that it did not say to approximate up here, so we have to give this as an exact answer. If you were allowed a calculator and it said to approximate, then you could plug this into your calculator to round this.